Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the image and preserving the original. That keeps you reversible. Open the photo, duplicate the background layer, and choose a tool: Photoshop Select Subject, a dedicated Remove Background AI, or an inpainting app based on complexity. Once chosen, make a loose selection around the person using Quick Selection or Lasso. This fast first pass speeds later refinement. Make sure to work non-destructively on the duplicate layer, so you can experiment without losing the original pixels. You now refine and execute the removal. Once done with the rough selection, use Refine Edge or a refine brush to capture hair and soft transitions, feathers slightly to blend. Then apply Content-Aware Fill or your inpainting tool to remove the person. If large areas remain inconsistent, switch to the Clone Stamp and Healing Brush to reconstruct texture and patterns. Make sure to toggle between layers and different fill previews to choose the most natural-looking result before final cleanup. You finish by cleaning seams and matching tones. You spot, heal, and clone to remove tiny artifacts, sampling adjacent textures for believable continuity. Once satisfied, adjust local color and exposure. Use small dodge and burn or a soft curves layer to match the repaired area to surrounding lighting. After verifying at full size, save a layered working file, then export a flattened JPEG or a PNG with transparency if needed. If artifacts persist, try manual painting on a low-opacity brush or rerun inpainting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.